Acne No More is a lifestyle, compressed in an ebook. A step-by-step plan directed towards permanent eradication of your acne. Not by merely treating it from the surface, but also by maintaining an inner balance in your body. A balance in which no disease can occur, not just acne. Click the link in the description below this video for details. It is a program, which is not at all a quick results acne treatment. Instead, it requires your patience, persistence, and strictness to the prescribed schedule, to meet the desired results. Here's how the author defines it. Clearing acne from the root can never be achieved as long as your body is in a state of imbalance. Acne is not a cosmetic problem, no matter what your doctor tells you. It is not about clearing the skin. It is about taking responsibility over your body and about restoring it back into a state of balance where no disease can exist, not only acne. Mike Walden. Several studies during the last decade have prompted dermatologists to revisit the potential link between diet and acne. Dermatologists can no longer dismiss the association between diet and acne. Compelling evidence exists that high glycemic load diets may exacerbate acne. Department of Dermatology, State University of New York Downstate Medical Center, Brooklyn, New York, USA. According to research, this approach is practical and clinically backed. Once you start reading this ebook and get familiar with the program, you'll be prompted at many stages to buy some additional supplements to put the strategy into work. Let's consider that after reading a lot of reviews, and researching a lot about Acne No More, you finally buy it. You're thrilled to defeat your acne and you commit to the program with great zest. Mike shares his own interesting story of eliminating his acne. He reveals the true facts and clarifies common myths regarding this disease. He prepares you to make a mental ground for fighting against it by telling you all the causes that lead toward the formation of acne environment. All of which he learned from his years of research. The Acne No More system begins to be practically implemented. Here, Mike has done a great job by giving you two meaningful options to continue with this program. Click the link in the description below this video for details.